Ready to upgrade your kitchen game with some seriously cool tech? These next-level gadgets are designed to make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun in 2025. From clever space savers to smart appliances that do the hard work for you, we've got everything to help you cook like a pro or just enjoy meal prep more. Stay tuned, because all the product links are waiting for you down in the description. Let's kick things off with 1. Measuring Cube. All-in-one tool, a compact all-in-one measuring block that replaces a whole drawer full of measuring spoons and cups. Each side shows a different measurement, from teaspoons to full cups, so you can quickly grab exactly what you need without the clutter. It's dishwasher safe and stackable, making it perfect for minimalists, students, or anyone with limited kitchen space. Imagine baking a cake with perfect precision, thanks to a tool designed by a rocket engineer. That's next-level accuracy for your recipes. Next, meet 2-point Icebreaker Pop. Portable ice maker, an ultra-portable, no-spill ice tray that lets you pop out perfect ice cubes without the hassle of cracking or stuck trays. It's leak-proof and compact enough to take anywhere, great for camping, picnics, or backyard parties. If you hate freezer smells ruining your ice or struggle with old-fashioned trays, this one's for you. Freeze overnight, toss it in your cooler, and pour out fresh ice cubes effortlessly wherever you go. Electric Dough Maker, your new best friend for kneading dough without the arm workout. With multiple speed settings and automatic kneading, it delivers perfect dough every time, whether you're baking bread, pizza, or pastries. Its large bowl means you can mix big batches, ideal for busy bakers or families who love homemade treats. Just toss in ingredients, press start, and let it do its thing while you get ready for the toppings or relax with your favorite show. Bonus, it doubles as a cake batter mixer. Next up, we've got Peleg Design Eggins, a quirky and adorable penguin-shaped egg timer and storage container that's way more fun than your average kitchen gadget. Its key feature? It not only keeps your eggs safe in the fridge, but also helps you boil them perfectly by tracking cooking time with a built-in timer. Plus, its playful design adds a splash of personality to your kitchen. Perfect for families with kids or anyone who loves a little whimsy while cooking. Vegetable Spiralizer, a must-have for anyone looking to amp up their healthy eating game. This gadget effortlessly turns your veggies into beautiful spiral noodles or ribbons, making salads, stir-fries, and low-carb dishes super fun and visually impressive. It's easy to use and clean, with sharp blades that handle everything from zucchini to carrots. Ideal for health-conscious individuals or busy home cooks who want quick, nutritious meals. Air Popcorn Popper, a clever gadget that pops your favorite snack with hot air instead of oil. That means you get delicious, crunchy popcorn that's way healthier and less greasy. Its fast popping time and easy cleanup make it great for movie nights or quick snacks. Perfect for families, fitness buffs, or anyone who wants guilt-free munching. Imagine whipping up a bowl of popcorn in just a few minutes with zero added fat. Snacking just got a serious upgrade. Uralux Premium Electric Orange Juicer, a powerful and sleek juicer designed to squeeze every last drop of freshness from your citrus fruits. Its heavy-duty motor and adjustable pulp control make it easy to get just the right texture and flavor, whether you're juicing oranges, lemons, or grapefruits. Perfect for health enthusiasts and breakfast lovers who want fresh juice fast. Imagine waking up to a glass of pure vitamin-packed orange juice with zero mess. Juice your way to a better day. Next, meet the 8. Braun Multiquick Immersion Blender, a versatile and powerful hand blender that crushes, blends, and purees your ingredients right in the pot, bowl, or glass. Its ergonomic design and multiple attachments make chopping veggies, making smoothies, or whipping sauces faster and way more fun. Ideal for busy professionals or anyone who loves quick kitchen hacks. Picture whipping up a creamy soup in seconds without transferring hot liquids back and forth. Lifewit Rice Dispenser is a smart, hygienic storage solution that keeps your rice fresh and dispenses the exact amount you need. Its airtight container design protects grains from moisture and pests, and the easy measure spout takes the guesswork out of cooking rice. Perfect for families, meal preppers, or rice lovers who want convenience and freshness in one. Imagine no more spills or measuring messes. Just grab the perfect portion every time with a simple push. Up next is 10 Premium Silicone Sushi Making Kit, an awesome set designed to make sushi rolling easier and more foolproof than ever. The flexible silicone mats help you shape perfect rolls without the mess or frustration, whether you're a sushi beginner or a seasoned pro. It's dishwasher safe and super easy to clean, making sushi night something to look forward to. Ideal for sushi lovers and home chefs wanting to impress friends with homemade rolls. Multi-handheld Mandoline Slicer, a sleek gadget that slices, juliennes, and dices veggies with incredible speed and precision. Its adjustable blades let you customize thickness, and the handheld design keeps you in total control, making food prep way faster. Perfect for busy cooks and anyone who loves cooking fresh meals without spending hours chopping. Imagine slicing potatoes for homemade chips or prepping salad veggies in seconds. Your prep game just leveled up. Pull-out cabinet organizer, a space-saving miracle that turns your kitchen cabinets into super efficient storage zones. With adjustable shelves and smooth sliding tracks, you can easily organize pots, pans, spices, or pantry goods, and get instant access to everything without digging through clutter. Great for tiny kitchens, neat freaks, and anyone craving more order in their cooking space. Imagine opening your cabinet to find exactly what you need. No more kitchen chaos moments. NutriBullet Personal Blender is a compact powerhouse perfect for whipping up smoothies, protein shakes, and fresh juices in seconds. Its powerful motor and sharp blades crush ice and blend fruits smoothly, making it ideal for busy health nuts or anyone on the go. Plus, the blending cups double as travel tumblers, so you can mix, grab, and go without extra cleanup. Imagine fueling your day with fresh, nutrient-packed drinks made in a flash. Wild One Measuring Cups and Spoons Set, a stylish magnetic collection designed to snap together and save space in your drawer. Each piece is precisely calibrated, so measuring ingredients is a breeze, and the magnets keep them organized and easy to find. Perfect for bakers, cooks with limited kitchen space, or anyone who loves functional design. Imagine no more digging through clutter. Just grab your set and start cooking. Carolyn Deep Fryer Pot brings restaurant-quality frying right to your stove. Its heavy-duty construction and even heat distribution ensure crispy, golden results every time, while the built-in thermometer lets you keep oil at the perfect temperature. Great for frying enthusiasts, home chefs, or families craving homemade fries and snacks. Imagine crispy fried chicken or tempura right at home, without the mess of bulky deep fryers. Coravin Timeless 3+ Wine Preservation System, a game changer for wine lovers who want to enjoy a glass without opening the whole bottle. This smart gadget lets you pour wine through the cork without pulling it out, preserving the rest of your bottle for weeks or even months. Perfect for casual sippers, collectors, or anyone who hates wasting wine. Couch Console Original Tray is the ultimate couch companion, featuring a sturdy tray with built-in cup holders and a storage compartment. It's perfect for holding snacks, drinks, remotes, and gadgets while you chill and watch your favorite shows. Great for binge watchers, busy parents, or anyone who loves comfort and convenience. Imagine never having to balance your popcorn on your lap again. Ultimate snack game unlocked. Uopia Roll-Down Egg Dispenser, a smart fridge organizer that holds your eggs securely and dispenses one at a time with a smooth rollout mechanism. It helps keep eggs neat and visible, preventing cracks and waste. Ideal for organized cooks, families, or anyone tired of scrambled fridge shelves. Imagine grabbing eggs effortlessly without the usual juggling act. Swamaly glass spice jars, a beautiful and practical way to organize your spices. These airtight, clear glass jars keep your herbs and spices fresh while making it easy to find exactly what you need. Their sleek design looks great on any countertop or spice rack, perfect for home chefs who love a tidy and stylish kitchen. Imagine quickly grabbing the right spice without rummaging through cluttered containers. Season your meals like a pro. Zeliss restaurant cheese grater, designed to handle even the toughest cheeses with ease. Its ergonomic handle and sharp blades make grating quick, efficient, and mess-free. Perfect for cheese lovers, home cooks, or anyone who wants to add freshly grated cheese to meals without the hassle. Imagine topping your pasta or pizza with perfectly shredded cheese in seconds. Home Bar Cocktail Drink Mixer, a smart app-enabled gadget that helps you craft perfect cocktails every time. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned mixologist, this device measures, mixes, and even suggests recipes based on your ingredients. Great for party hosts, cocktail lovers, or anyone wanting to impress friends with custom drinks. Imagine shaking up your favorite margarita or mocktail with just a few taps on your phone. Cheers to tech and taste. SID, a simple yet genius silicone saucepan lid holder that prevents your lids from slipping into the sink or cluttering your counter while cooking. Its flexible design fits most pot lids and keeps your workspace neat and dry, perfect for busy home cooks who want a small but effective helper during meal prep. Imagine cooking without constantly hunting for your pot lid. Little things make a big difference. Ulu Knife, a traditional curved blade that's been modernized for today's kitchen. This ergonomic knife excels at chopping, slicing, and mincing with a rocking motion that saves your wrists from strain. It's great for chopping herbs, veggies, or even meats quickly and efficiently. Perfect for home cooks and chefs who want to speed up prep time without sacrificing precision. Imagine gliding through onions and garlic like a pro. Your knife skills just got upgraded. Cosori coffee mug. Warmer, a sleek electric warmer designed to keep your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate perfectly warm for hours. It features temperature control and an automatic shutoff for safety, making it ideal for busy professionals, students, or anyone who hates cold drinks. Imagine sipping your hot beverage slowly without worrying about it going lukewarm. Coffee breaks just got a serious upgrade. Aicok's juicer machines, a high-capacity masticating juicer that extracts every drop of juice from fruits and vegetables while preserving nutrients and flavor. Its slow juicing technology reduces oxidation, meaning fresher, healthier juice with less foam. Perfect for health-conscious juicers or anyone wanting to boost their daily vitamins with homemade juice. Imagine starting your day with a glass of vibrant, nutrient-packed juice that tastes as good as it looks. That's a wrap on 30 amazing kitchen gadgets that'll level up your cooking in 2025. All product links are in the description. Check them out to find your next favorite tool. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to Prep Home, and tap the bell for more awesome kitchen gear. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!